I'm currently on hold, waiting to find out about the effect of bats and railway lines together. Let's find out the answers. Come on. My train's nearly here, hurry up. I want to know. I think he's just put me on hold, isn't it? Like, till the train gets here and fucks off.
Thank you for your patience.
No worries. Did you find out about bats?
Well, I'm so sorry actually, so we don't have that information.
But can you just Google it for me? Like, the time you put me on hold,
I'm sorry, we are not allowed actually to access that kind of
you've got a phone, haven't you? You could have used your phone to Google it, and it wouldn't show up on the railway system's IP. Then you wouldn't get bollocked by your supervisor, would you? I mean, you could have helped my career. I'm very disappointed with the tax guys in this conversation. It's gone completely the wrong way to how I anticipated.
We're not allowed to access Google Sites.
Okay, well, I think honestly that you guys need to revise this policy that you have.
That I can.
It sounds
but I can help you with the customer service number. They can speak to you.
I've never heard anything like that. You're not allowed to access Google unless, of course, you're like a sex offenders register. Then I don't understand. But like, it's just a train station, like information point. Like, I don't see why they're stopping you from accessing Google. Like, what did you do wrong to them? I don't think you did anything. You seem like a really nice guy. You should go to your union. You should fight for your right to have Google. Quite honestly, mate, you really should, because I think it's just disgusting. You guys should strike. No train should run across the whole of the UK until Google is allowed in your workplace. Right. Anyway, thanks for your time, man. See you later.
Welcome.